Welcome to GATE NPTEL Polymer Science and Engineering XEF, which is a part of Engineering Sciences XE in GATE. In this video, we will discuss the solution of question number 119. This question was asked for 2 marks. Injection molding is typically used to make plastic parts. If the pressure at gate is monitored as a function of time during the injection of thermoplastic polymer, identify the profile that best describes these events. So they have given 4 profiles P, Q, R, S. We have to match which pressure and time is best described. So first see what is injection molding. Injection molding is process in which through feed offer we pass polymer beads, and due to the heaters and shearing action by this reciprocating screw, these polymers get melted and get homogenized, and then through this nozzle it goes into the clamping unit at certain pressure, and then we get the product which we need. So there are mainly 3 physical stages that control that gate pressure. So first one is the filling, okay, which is velocity control, in which molten polymer flows into the cavity. Flow resistance increases as the cavity fills. So through this nozzle, this polymer, molten polymer, it comes, and through screw and runner, it went into this cavity. First stage is velocity control, that is filling. In second stage, switchover and packing, that is pressure control. Once this cavity it get full, the machine switches to packing and holding. A short high pressure pulse is applied on the pack material to compensate if any shrinkage is there. This produces a peak at switchover. And third one is cooling. At cooling, this it get solidified and material in cavity gets cool, and so the gate pressure in third physical stages it falls during hold or cooling. If we translate these 3 physical stages into expected gate pressure shape, then during that filling pressure at gate rises, but it not rises instantly because melt push into and fill the cavity. Okay, it is viscous polymer, it has some resistance to flow, so that's why this rise in pressure is not in the instant mode, it will increase gradually. And at second switchover there is a sharp peak because that control mode and resistance change abruptly. During third, pressure does not remain perfectly constant after the peak, and hence the pressure decays at the gate, freezes and melt, compresses and cools. If we see PQRS profiles, in P there is gradual rise, clear peak and then decay. In Q, it has immediately high pressure, then drop to plateau. No filling ramp or switch spike. In R, initial high plateau is there, then monotonic decay, that means no filling ramp or switch spike. In S, it's get ramp up and then long constant plateau is there, shows filling, then constant hold, but lacks the characteristics of switchover peak and subsequent decay. So profile P contains all 3 stages which I have described. There is a rise during fill, then distinct switchover peak, this is switchover, distinct switchover peak from here to here, and decay during the, this is decay during the cooling or holding. That matches real gate pressure traces from typical thermoplastic injection. Therefore, this P profile is the best profile which describe the pressure at gate as a function of time. So P, which is option C, is the correct option. These are the references by Professor Sisir Sinha, IIT Roorkee, in their NPTEL online course Polymer Process Engineering. In this lecture 31 and lecture 32, they describe injection molding processes in very detail. Please go through it to get your more concept clear regarding injection molding. Thank you. See you in the next video solution.